Okay, so right now we're on Tuesday practicing problem solving. Right now we're going to be converting decimals to fractions. And then here in a little bit, we're going to work on lesson 3 workbook, pages 19 through 20. So right now, you're probably saying, oh goodness, this is a lot. But oh goodness, this is really, really not complicated. Okay? So one of the first things you need to know is your place value. So when you're converting fractions to decimal, it's simple as long as you remember the place values. Remember, tens, hundreds, your decimal, and then you start your tenths and your hundreds. So if you look at 9 tenths right here, this example above is 9 tenths. Look at how we'd write that as a decimal. You would simply write it as 0 in your ones place, and the 9 goes in tenths. So 9 tenths. This one right here is 63 hundredths. So 63 hundredths. See how simple? Now let's look at number 2. Here's the deal. I'm going to do half with you here right now. You're going to do the other half by yourself. And I'm going to post a picture of what your answer should look like. Okay? So we're going to do half of them together, and the other half you're going to do by yourself. And then I won't post the picture till Tuesday. Later on Tuesday. Because I would have done it too. I would have waited till the teacher posted it. But we can't. Now, I'll also tell you this. You do not have to write over here. Okay? Don't worry about it. I only do that when we're testing. Okay, so I have 2 tenths. Okay, so 2 tenths. If you have to, but this right here, always put a 0 and 2 tenths. How many places to the right of the decimal, okay, is the tenths? And it's 1 place. So put 1 thing there. So when I say 2 tenths, I know I put my 2 right there. Okay, so 2 tenths. 7 hundredths. Okay, I'm going to put my 0. And I know that there is the tenths place and the hundredths place. Now this is 7 hundredths. So that means my 7 goes in the hundredths place. And guess what I put in this blank spot right here? A 0. Now you can do this if it helps. I've had some kids that this helps them better than other things. Okay, number 3 is 84 over 100, or 84 hundredths. So I have a 0 in the ones place because I do not have a 1. Tens place, hundredths place. So 84 hundredths. Okay. 4 over 100. Same thing goes here. 4, 10. Oh, no, that's 0. I'm sorry. The tens place, hundredths place. Okay, say this number. 4 over 100, which is 4 hundredths. So the 4 is going to go in the hundredths place. And that's a 0. Okay. I have 32 over 100. So I'm going to put my 0 in the ones place. Tenths, hundredths. 32 hundredths. Okay. 73 over 100. Okay. 0. Tenths, hundredths. 73. 1 over 100 is 100th. So that's my 0, my decimal. Tenths, hundredths. My 1 goes there. And my decimal. Not my decimal, my 0. Okay. 94 over 100 is almost 1. Okay, so I have 94 hundredths. Have a 0 there. 2 blank spots. Because that's the tenths and that's the hundredths. So I have 94 hundredths. Okay, next one. I have 1 tenth. 1/10. Okay? Tenths. And what goes in there? 1. Next one is 3/10. Okay? Blank spot here. That's my tenths place. And I'm going to put in my 3. All right? Now, I want you to do 11 through 20 by yourself. I'm not going to post the picture until later on Tuesday. Okay? Your picture will say converting decimals to fractions answers. And it'll be an image. Okay? Now, this one is you're doing the same thing with different numbers. Okay? I want you to do this one by yourself. And I will again post the answers with a picture via Google Classroom on Tuesday. All right? Y'all can do this. It's just like we did 1 through 10. If you need to, rewatch this video. It will help. You can do this. You can do numbers 11 through 20. And then you're going to turn to this next page and do numbers 1 through 20. It's real easy if you follow the directions. Oh, right here, that example's not showing up. Okay, it's 100ths. Okay, remember, you don't have to write over here. Just stay on this page right here. Okay, let's just go ahead and we're going to stop this video. And I'm going to come back with another video doing this. See y'all later.